Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to talk about something that is not talked about that much, something which is kind of important for our phones, but we don't really pay a lot of attention to it at times. Now, some of us install this particular product which is worth 50 bucks. Some of us end up spending up to 1000 rupees. So it depends on person to person. I personally prefer not using it, protection, I don't really like it. Well, I'm talking about the screen guard before your thoughts go anywhere else. So yeah, what we are talking about today is this particular package. Now, I got a couple of these. These are nothing but the official screen protectors from Xiaomi. Now, I'll tell you how I ended up buying these. Now, first of all, the phone that I'm using as my daily driver is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. This phone has some sort of screen protection, that is Gorilla Glass. It's not mentioned if it is Gorilla Glass 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, but then again it does have it. And from my previous experience of the Note 4, it gets up scratched quite easily. That's the reason I thought that maybe let's go ahead and use a screen guard. And while I was browsing through the Xiaomi website, I found one of these Xiaomi screen protector, 110 or 120 bucks plus shipping. So it's like 150 bucks for an official screen protector. Sounds really nice. Now, what I didn't pay attention to was that this is a screen protector and not a tempered glass. I thought this is a tempered glass, but it didn't end up being a tempered glass. But nonetheless, the reason I'm unboxing it today and reviewing it at the same time is because I'm using it from like more than a month now on my Note 5 Pro, and I've got a couple of more of these. So I thought might as well do an unboxing for you guys, might share what the opinion is about this particular product and should you buy it or not for a very low price. Now, before we begin, here's a card to the latest giveaway I'm giving away this phone the moment we make it to 10,000 subscribers. And at the same time, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. Also, there's a second channel which I have to talk about, Kratos 390. That's my motor vlogging channel. The uploads are regular on that one too, just like this one. This channel gets one video every single day. That channel will be getting 3 videos a week. So that is how it works. If you like motorcycles and stuff, here's a card to that channel. Just go ahead and subscribe and enjoy the adrenaline rush. Without further ado, guys, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let the unboxing begin. All right, people, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is this, not the phone, something that is installed on this phone. Now, this is not a review as such, but I would like to share my thoughts on it. Now, this is a Note 5 Pro that we are using. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty dirty, and I was not able to fix it properly because there were a few bubbles and stuff like that. And if we look closely, I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, so the thing with plastic screen protectors is that they end up getting scratched very easily. Now, this being a product from Xiaomi especially for their devices, I thought that there might be something different with this one, and I ended up installing it, and I didn't really like it because no, it doesn't really work like glass does. But then again, the only thing I don't want to install glass on this particular phone is because this phone has 2.5D curved display. Now, what that does is it doesn't really make it that easy for you to install a tempered glass. Nonetheless, let's talk about this boy here. So we'll leave the phone aside for a bit. So this is how the packaging looks. Now, what I did is I ordered one for my Note 5, that is my father's phone, and my phone, that is the Note 5 Pro. I finished all the protectors that I had for this one. Now, the reason I'm saying all the is because when I unboxed this one for the Note 5 Pro, I found out there were at least 2 or 3 different screen protectors, and I didn't really understand the whole scenario. So we'll do that again on camera and see if I can understand it. But yeah, that's how the packaging looks. If you look at the back, let's see if we can focus. Yeah, looks like we can. So it says Redmi Note 5 screen protector, but as you all know, both of them have the same display, so it should be an easy fit. Surprisingly, it says manufactured in November 2017. Was the Note 5 even launched in India at that time? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Something looks fishy here, but that's okay. This is from Xiaomi directly. I bought it from their website, and let's begin the unboxing. So it says open here. Okay. Yeah. So it says open here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tear it. Not really great or good at unboxing stuff. So excuse me if things get messed up over here. Completely expected. Okay. And looks like we have to take this particular sticker off. Yeah. Does it peel further? Yeah, it does. So it goes all the way down. Now for a not so expensive product, the packaging is pretty decent is what I would say. Now first things first, if we look to the left, we have some instructions. Let me focus here for you guys. Yeah, I guess you can see now. Screen protector install instructions, lot of Chinese stuff with English subtitles, of course. Okay, so let's look at the package contents here real quick. Oh, there's some more instructions here, so we'll look at those. So okay, yeah, so as you can see here, so there's one package, 2, 3. All right, now I'm assuming these are the screen protectors. Now what I don't know is, okay, I clearly know that this is yeah, this is a cleaning cloth, this is a dust remover or something of that sort, and I don't know what this is again. So what I didn't understand is it says 1 on this one, 2 on this one, and 2 on this one again. So we will quickly read the instructions. All right guys, so we are back. Now I've read through the instructions and I almost understand what exactly is going on here. So I'm guessing there's still some guessing work going on because it's not mentioned what these 3 are. So I'm guessing these are screen protectors and they all have sides, like side number 1, as you can see here. Side number 1 goes towards your phone and side number 2 is something you can peel off. Yeah, so now these, what is mentioned here, if you can see it, these are removal tabs, or these are, okay, yeah, so this is something which you can use to remove your old screen protector if it is a plastic one. This of course is a cleaning cloth, and this is something you have to apply before you apply the screen protector so that it removes all the dust. So that is what exactly we are going to do in this one. This is not only unboxing video, so we will also cover how to install a screen protector on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now don't kill me if I make mistakes because I'm not that good at it. So yeah, shaky hands. Yeah, so we have an old screen protector here. All right, we would want to take it off. Now I don't know from which side does it come off. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, so looks like, yeah, so this comes off here, so just remove it. So yeah, we pasted it here and allowed it to just go ahead and stick with the screen protector. There you go, it is immediately. Oh wow, so yeah, it really works, as you can see, and this is reusable, they say. So there goes the old screen protector. It's all dusty and dirty. Now I've made sure that the fan and everything else in my house is turned off so that they say it is reusable. So let's, yeah, as good as new. So next thing, they say this is a cleaning cloth. So go ahead and clean the surface of the phone. Alright, so we can leave the cleaning cloth aside. Now I don't think there is any dust, so we will just go ahead and wipe it once again. I don't want to use the dust removal sticker. Ideally what you would do is you would just remove the sticker and paste it here and let it be there for a couple of seconds and wait till the time all the glue picks off all the dust. And what I would also suggest is something like a visiting card or an address card or something like that. Yeah, so keep one of those handy, because if there are any bubbles, something like this, like a debit card or credit card or anything, should be fine. I'm sorry, it looks messy, but that's how it is. Yeah, so we don't have any dust or anything else. So let's move to the first screen protector is what we will do. Let's take it out. Yeah. So this is side number 1 and this is side number 2. So it says front, that means this one will go to the back. Okay, so this is how it is supposed to fit. So what you need to do is, it says lift about 5 centimeters. Okay, and don't touch, oh wow, has to happen, right? Don't touch the sticky side. So once you lift 5 centimeters, just gently place it here. As you can see, bubble, it's bubble city right now. So yeah, so you can take this particular layer off and this is how you can remove the bubbles. So yeah, that is how the screen protector looks, and to be honest, to the touch it does give you a slight plasticky feel, but looks okay. It's better than glass is what I would say, unless you drop your phone a lot. That is when you should or would have problems. Otherwise, for the price, to be honest, I have 2 more of these left, so I can always go ahead and install another one once I'm bored of this or something like that. So yeah, if you like this video guys, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one, because it's always a lot of fun talking to you guys. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off from Smartphone Tutorials. Goodbye, take care.